Changing your plan with Sunnova can help you better manage your energy needs and costs. Follow these steps to successfully update your plan. Step 1. Review your current plan. Check the details of your existing plan, including rates, terms, and any commitments. Understanding your current situation will help you make an informed decision about the changes you want to make. Step 2. Visit the Sunnova website. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one using your customer information. Step 4. Navigate to plan options. Once logged in, find the section that allows you to view or change your plan. This may be labeled as Plan Options, Manage My Plan, or something similar. Step 5. Select and confirm your new plan. Choose the new plan that suits your needs best. Review the terms and conditions, then confirm your selection. Make sure to save any changes and check for a confirmation message. By following these steps, you can easily change your plan with Sunnova to better fit your energy requirements. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.